So now that we've talked about how the cells work, how the body works, and how the body has an inbuilt detoxification system, and the components of that system, let's talk a little bit about disease and how disease is created in the body. And for the most part, we already know that if you're happy, then you can eat, breathe, and poop. And if your cells are happy, then they can eat, breathe, and poop. So my perspective is disease is created in the body when your cells are not able to eat, breathe, and poop. So that is literally the root cause of disease from my perspective, and why detoxification and making sure your body's inbuilt detoxification system is working properly is so important. And so we can go back to the little chart here. And this is the cell, and nutrients and oxygen are coming to the cell via the blood, keeping the cell happy. The cell is doing its thing with its metabolic processes here. And then the cell is creating sort of byproducts and waste that it then has to move out the body through the lymph system, which is depicted by these sort of blue lines here. And then the waste that it creates exit the body through the kidneys, the colon, the lungs, and the skin, most often through urine, poop, kind of carbon dioxide that we breathe out, and sweat. So these are sort of the things that take waste outside the body. And you may be wondering, like, what about the liver? Liver's super important for detoxification. So I'm gonna put the liver here. It has like a whole bunch of roles and processes. I'm not even sure that we're aware of like all of the things that the liver does, but it's very useful in sort of like neutralizing like different toxins and helping to get rid of them. So it's super helpful in detoxification, and I'm gonna just kind of put it here. It's important for your liver to be functioning well. So that's where we are as far as like how the body works. And as far as disease goes, most usually disease is some sort of process where the body sewer system, the lymph system, is not functioning properly. It's not removing waste properly. It's congested. It's backed up. It's not flowing well, and things are backed up, and it's kind of clogging up the cells, suffocating them. They can't do their job. They become damaged. The DNA becomes damaged. They don't work as well. So that's often the root cause of illnesses and disease. And once the cells are able to flush out their waste and they're clean and they're happy, usually people see improvements in their disease symptoms.